back on the way to the house.
Put my gowns on.
Put mama gowns on. Put mama gowns on. Put mama gowns on.
Put my gowns in the house.
No, you can't relate to old videos. We're making a new video for newness. Where are you going?
To get the movie back. Then you guys can go. I'll drop you guys off.
You're gonna make us late, okay? We need to be there right now.
You guys will be fine. I'm just gonna drop off the movie and that's it.
God, Mom, we came in the car because we needed to get a ride to Zelinsky's house.
I know, by 4 o'clock. You guys will be there by 4.
Yeah, it's already 3:57. No, it's 3:57. I changed it because I was tired of making it wrong. It's right.
Hey now, hey, be nice. Be nice, buddy.
No.
Okay. Okay.
You guys will take so long to come.
Because we were recycling and you're destroying our fucking economy. Fucking non-communist.
Recycling person.
Communist. Commie. Commie. Communist bastard. Savage!
Savage. Stop zooming in.
Stop zooming in. I'm just moving the camera.
Savage.
You want to see zooming in? I'll just go like that.
Savage.
Savage!
Savage.
I don't want your mouth! I thought I could put my savage. Savage! My savage better.
Mine's emptier.
So? That's because you drink more. Drinker? You drunkard?
I don't drink. I'm a lover, not a fuss.
I'm a hippie, not a drunk person.
You know you got
Mountain Dew.
MC.
Get there. Yeah. Now, oh, dude, I got an idea. Okay, this video's ended, and the next one, to be continued. Mountain Dew battle.